This is Maristela Bertram with My Space Reclaimed. Those of you who know me know that I'm a professional organizer and I just love what I do. Today I am doing something a little bit out of the ordinary because my client trusted me enough to let me bring her spices home. I am giving her spices a little field trip to spa, if you will. What I'm doing is transferring spices to the jars that we're going to use. The jars need to be all the same for it to look its best. There are an infinite amount of label makers and jars. What I would tell you is try to get jars that are at minimum 3-ounce jars because that's the standard that will accommodate more of your product. The other thing to look for is that they have the shaker. You can pour and you can shake with this kind of seal. So it's a good idea to look for that as well. Is labor intensive at the beginning, and that's why I'm here for. So I do that part, and then your job is to maintain the system. It's not such a money saving by big containers unless you have a restaurant, because chances are you're not going to go through the whole amount before it gets not bad but dull, or spices lose their kick.